From technician to entrepreneur, mastering the art of running a paintless dent repair business. Introduction. To succeed as a small business owner in the paintless dent repair (PDR) industry, entrepreneurs must develop a wide range of skills and knowledge, including defining their ethics and goals, understanding general business principles, and mastering various aspects of running a PDR business. Defining ethics and goals. As an entrepreneur entering the PDR industry, defining your ethics and goals from the outset is vital. By doing so, you set a solid foundation for your business that will help you stay focused and remain true to your values. To find your true motivation for being in the PDR business, consider whether you are driven primarily by financial gain or by the satisfaction of helping others restore their vehicles to pristine condition. While there is nothing wrong with wanting to repair dents to make money, it's essential to be honest with yourself about your intentions and the lengths you are willing to go to achieve your goals. If your primary motivation is financial, you must carefully weigh the ethical implications of your decisions and actions. For instance, you may need to consider whether you are willing to upsell unnecessary services, push clients to choose more expensive repair options, or cut corners in the quality of your work to maximize profits. In contrast, if your motivation is to provide exceptional service and value to your customers, you will likely prioritize ethical practices and maintain high standards of workmanship, even if it means sacrificing some short-term financial gains. Understanding the type of business you want to build and the impact you want to have on your clients will guide your decision-making process and help you navigate the challenges that come with running a PDR business. For example, if you are driven by the desire to help others, you may focus on building a reputation for integrity, excellent customer service, and top-notch repairs. On the other hand, if your primary goal is financial success, you may need to strike a balance between maximizing profits and maintaining a strong ethical foundation. As you define your ethics and goals, it's essential to keep in mind that a successful PDR business depends on trust and a positive reputation. Consistently demonstrating ethical behavior, honesty, and transparency will help you establish and maintain the trust of your clients, which in turn will contribute to the long-term success and sustainability of your business. Adapting general business principles. When exploring a career in the paintless dent repair industry, it's essential to understand and adapt general business principles to your unique situation. In this field, numerous experts may attempt to persuade you to adopt their specific system or product for running a business. However, it's important to acknowledge that a one-size-fits-all approach may not be suitable for everyone. Achieving business success involves personalizing the system and customizing it to fit your individual strengths and objectives. Becoming a business owner often entails the realization that role models serve as temporary guides, and we must ultimately carve our own path in the world of business. Furthermore, to succeed as a small business owner, you should be willing to wear multiple hats and develop a wide range of skills. One essential skill is understanding technology and being able to publish websites or write code. Having this skill will save you money in the long run and make you more versatile. Another critical skill to develop is accounting. While it is wise to have a certified public accountant handle your taxes, knowing how to manage and maintain your records is crucial. Managing a PDR business. Managing a paintless dent repair (PDR) business is a complex and multifaceted task. Contrary to popular belief, being an exceptional technician who can effectively repair dents is only a small aspect of operating a successful PDR company. Although being a subject matter expert is the primary requirement for running a PDR business, with a technician needing in-depth knowledge of vehicles, dents, and the repair process, I believe this only accounts for about 5% of what it takes to run a thriving business. While having technical skills is crucial, other responsibilities and obligations come with managing a PDR business. Here are several essential skill sets for operating a small PDR company. 1. Administrative tasks. Any business owner must handle necessary upfront tasks, such as obtaining insurance and business licenses. These responsibilities should be prioritized and completed before starting operations. 2. Scheduling and customer management. Effective scheduling and customer management are vital for a successful PDR business. Implement a scheduling system that allows customers to easily make appointments. Outsourcing this task or using technology, like automated text message reminders, can streamline the process and ensure customers are prepared for their appointments. 3. Communication and salesmanship. The ability to sell without sounding like a salesperson is crucial for any business owner, including those in the PDR industry. Technicians should possess excellent communication skills to clearly explain the repair process and convincingly demonstrate why they are the best choice for the job. A friendly demeanor and engaging personality can also help establish rapport with customers and make them feel more comfortable entrusting their vehicles to the technician. For building relationships with customers, a successful PDR technician should be able to connect with customers on a personal level. This means being able to discuss common interests and maintain a friendly atmosphere while working on the vehicle. Most customers will want to know what is happening with their vehicle, so being able to engage in conversation while working on the repair is essential. 5. Marketing and advertising. To grow your PDR business, it's essential to invest in marketing and advertising efforts. Develop a marketing strategy that effectively reaches your target audience and utilizes both online and offline channels. Stay updated on digital marketing trends and social media platforms to engage with potential clients and showcase your work. This includes adopting cloud-based tools, utilizing social media for marketing, implementing e-commerce solutions, and leveraging data analytics to make informed decisions. 6. Financial management. Business owners need to have a solid understanding of financial management, including budgeting, cash flow, and bookkeeping. This skill ensures that you can monitor your business's financial health, make informed decisions, and plan for future growth. 7. Time management and organization. Running a PDR business involves juggling multiple tasks simultaneously. Prioritize your workload, stay organized, and manage your time efficiently to ensure that you can meet deadlines and provide quality service to your customers. 8. Networking and relationship building. Establishing relationships with other professionals in the automotive industry, such as dealerships, body shops, and insurance agents, can help generate referrals and expand your client base. Attend industry events, join relevant associations, and participate in local business groups to build connections and stay informed about industry trends. 9. Continuous learning and improvement. The PDR industry is constantly evolving, with new tools, techniques, and technologies emerging regularly. Stay current with industry advancements and invest in professional development to enhance your skills and knowledge. This commitment to growth and improvement will set you apart from competitors and contribute to your business's long-term success. 10. Adaptability and resilience. Running a PDR business comes with its share of challenges and setbacks. Develop the resilience and adaptability to overcome obstacles, learn from your mistakes, and adapt your business strategy as needed. This mindset will help you navigate the ups and downs of entrepreneurship and maintain a positive outlook on your business's future. Being frugal is important, but knowing when to spend money on tools or resources that save you time and make you more efficient is equally vital. This includes investing in insurance to protect yourself and your business from unforeseen events and potential lawsuits. Choosing your path as a PDR technician. Running your own business as a paintless dent repair technician can be a challenging yet rewarding endeavor. However, it is essential to know what kind of technician you want to be and how to build the foundational skills necessary for success. This article discusses the different types of technicians, the importance of mentorship, and the significance of establishing your ethics and goals from the outset. The first step in becoming a paintless dent repair technician is to decide what type of technician you want to be. There are various options, such as 1. Commercial technician, focused on dealerships, auctions, and large commercial accounts. 2. Retail technician, specializing in providing services to individual clients. 3. Hail technician, primarily concentrating on repairing hail damage and traveling to regions affected by hailstorms. 4. In-house dealership technician, working exclusively for a dealership or larger conglomerate, servicing their inventory, and potentially offering mobile services as well. 5. Mobile technician, operating as a mobile PDR service, traveling to clients' locations to perform repairs. 6. Brick-and-mortar technician, owning and operating a PDR shop, where customers bring their vehicles for repairs. 7. Hybrid technician, combining in-house work for a dealership or larger company with mobile services for added flexibility and income opportunities. These paths have distinct business models and requirements. For instance, working as a hail technician requires adaptability and constant travel, while a brick-and-mortar technician might enjoy a more stable work environment with customers coming to them. Understanding the varying expectations and requirements for each type of business will help you decide which path suits you best. Building foundational skills. Once you've chosen your preferred path, it's crucial to build your foundational skills. One of the best ways to do this is to work for another technician who is already successful in your chosen field. This allows you to learn from their experience and expertise, gain knowledge, and build relationships that can benefit you in the long run. It's essential to be loyal to your mentor and maintain a positive relationship with them even if you eventually decide to branch out on your own. Avoid leaving them high and dry or entering into direct competition with them, as this can damage your reputation in the industry. Focusing on quality over rapid expansion. While the idea of creating a massive PDR empire may be tempting, rapid expansion can compromise quality standards and lead to decline. As your business grows, maintaining high-quality work becomes increasingly difficult. Scaling up too quickly can strain your resources, dilute your brand, and ultimately harm PDR's reputation. In my opinion, a more sustainable approach to building a successful PDR business is to focus on being a single, quality-driven technician. By prioritizing the quality of your work, you can build a strong reputation and develop lasting relationships with your clients. This approach also allows you to maintain control over your business operations and ensure that your values are always at the forefront. In addition to focusing on your PDR business, consider diversifying your investments in other sectors, such as real estate, the stock market, or continued education. This strategy helps spread risk and offers you additional income streams that can support your business and personal goals. Diversification also enables you to grow your wealth and financial stability, ultimately allowing you to reinvest in your PDR business and make it even more successful. Conclusion: running a small PDR business requires a well-rounded skill set and a strong foundation of ethics and goals. By understanding general business principles and mastering various aspects of running a PDR business, entrepreneurs can overcome challenges and build a thriving, sustainable business in the industry.